Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. This week I'm going to be making a cheese slicer with a piece of Amendoin. It's kind of like sapelli. Stick around, we'll get started. Alright, so the first thing I did was mark centers on the blank so that when I mounted it in the chuck I could get it in there straight and tighten the chuck down. So let me grab a spindle roughing gouge and then we'll get it down to round, and then we'll drill it out for the threaded insert that goes in this side. Yeah. I'm gonna grab some homemade sanding butter and put some of that finish on it, and should come up nice. I got the recipe for this from, I think it was Daniel Villarino about a year ago. It's an alternative to the Triple E cream. It doesn't have that almost like gasoline smell to it, and it seems to work just as well. Okay, then we take this over to the drill press with a little disc sander on it, and I'll flatten that off, and then we'll go over to the bench and put it together. Okay, that came out nice. Polished up the end of it. So really, the only assembly is putting the pieces together. There we go. It's a pretty good size. Fits the hand well. At least my hand. We'll see how it fits my wife's. But that is that. Thanks for sticking with me if you made it this far. Please subscribe if it's your first time here. I try to put out one of these every week or so. Let me know how I'm doing. Give me a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you like, what you don't like. See you next week. Take care.